The Ulefone Armor 24 was unveiled at the IFA 2023 event. This is going to be the successor of the Ulefone Armor 22. That is if the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is never released. But I think we might see the Armor 23 Ultra. Anyway, this is the Armor 24. As you can see, it's a very bulky device because it packs a really large battery. According to the details, the device has a 22,000 mAh battery. Also, the device features a camping light at the back, which means it is one of the few rugged phones with a bright LED flashlight at the rear. So let's quickly talk about the features of this rugged phone. The device has a 6.78-inch IPS LCD screen with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. I don't know if the display is protected by any kind of protection, but it seems the screen is scratch resistant. The device is military grade standard 810H certified. It is also IP68 and IP69K rated. Like I mentioned earlier, this phone packs a 22,000 mAh battery. Thankfully, the device is paired with a 66 watt fast charger, which is great. The charger will definitely be able to charge such a massive battery at a reasonable speed. In the camera department, the phone seems to have a 64MP primary sensor. The specs of the other sensors are not reviewed for now, but the image here reveals that the device might have up to 3 sensors, but the main sensor is 64MP. The device has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports OTG, face unlock, NFC, and others like that. This phone is also expected to ship with the latest Android 13. It's going to be the stock version of Android, which means no bloatware, and you'll be getting the latest features and security updates. According to the details, it seems this phone will be powered by the Helio G96, which is, in my opinion, not really great, but there's nothing we can do about it. The Helio G96 is not that bad. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor 24. I'd also like to give credit to Mobilissimo. They were fortunate enough to be present at the IFA 2023 event, and they were able to get a live hands-on of the Ulefone Armor 24. So it's the video I'm showing you guys right now. Anyway, this is the Armor 24. It's coming very soon. I don't know the exact date. I don't know its price, but we're expecting to see this device this year, and I believe it's going to be available for a very cheap price. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Ulefone Armor 24. Share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.